Hi and hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing annotations in Python 3.9. This has also become a very important feature. Annotations were not so descriptive earlier in earlier versions of Python, but now it has become easier to add more metadata into Python functions. And I'm going to demonstrate this in this video. So by metadata, it means you can add additional description, additional documentation to the functions when you are writing it. So let's do this in Python 3.9 first. Okay, let's import first typing module. Typing import annotated, sorry. So it's already done. Now let's create a function of currency exchange. Now we're going to create a function of currency exchange that converts euros to USD. So euro annotated. I had to create, now this euro will have float, comma, and this float will hold values of euros. The next is you would need in currency exchange rate of conversion. So let's do this. So it's annotated, and this rate will also be float, and it will hold the value for exchange rate. Okay, and this whole function is annotated to, okay, so this will hold annotated, this will hold float. After conversion it will hold float, and then what it is, euro to USD. And let's pass this euros to USD using the exchange rate. So you can find it extremely simple to add metadata to Python functions, which wasn't available earlier, and I'm just demonstrating that to you. So okay, now let's just print this function euro currency underscore exchange, and let's just pass on this how many which currency to be exchanged. So we need to pass on euro. The first parameter was euro, so it's 5 euro. I'm just saving it. Okay, here I forgot to add the inverted comma, and that's why it wasn't appearing properly. So now let's rewrite this function, currency underscore exchange, and we're going to pass euros, that is 5, and the currency conversion, I just take it 1.8, and let's just print this and save it. Okay, I'm still printing zone information. I should print annotated annotations 1.py. Okay, it's giving error expected and indented block, which is missing. Yep, I just missed that. Okay, so it was missed and therefore it wasn't initializing. Let's just print again. It's 9. Okay, now it's printing, and in 3.9, now the annotations that I was talking about, you can see here. In fact, just let me write down this function again. Now this function is coming. Okay, you can see here these annotations are available: float, euros, float, exchange rate. This currency exchange function will have first parameter, that is euro. The second parameter is rate, and euro will have you will have to provide float, and that float will hold the value of euros, and then the rate, that is also going to be a float, and it will hold the value of exchange rate, and the overall result would be a float that will be a converting number from euro to USD. So this is how the whole thing is done. And let's do this again. I just provide 7 euros and convert it by 1.75 as the exchange rate. And when we print this again, so the values are going to just update. Okay, 12.25. Now also we can see that it also is extremely, now this annotations instantiation is also available. Let's see what it holds. This is again available in Python 3.9. Now see, this whole metadata of euro, typing not annotated, float, euros, rate, typing not annotated, again. Everything is there. The whole metadata of this function, the parameters and what it is doing, what the result is there. And this makes it easier to understand what the code is doing. Now, if I do this in Python 3.8, let's do this. Python dash version 3.8.6 Python annotated annotations 1.py. See, there is an error. The typing module is not there and the annotated is not there. If I remove that, and does it still work? No. Annotated is not defined, and it just throws the error and throws the whole writing of what the function, the writing of function as it is. In Python 3.8, it wasn't there, and we were defining it like the whole metadata wasn't there. If I just write down this code in Python 3.9, in fact Python 3.8, let's do this. I write down, okay, I just take help from here. Okay, so I just remove the annotation part of this code. Euro. Now instead of annotated, I'm just going to write euros. So this euro will hold euros, and this rate will hold exchange rate. Okay, and what it is doing the conversion of euros to exchange rate. Now, the whole part of annotation, like it is float and it is holding euros, and this is annotated inside, like this metadata of the function could not be added earlier in the earlier version. And let's just run the code. Okay, I haven't printed anything, so let's print it. You can see here that's only the information being given. So let's try 5 comma 1.88 and let's print it. That's 9. So it's done. I hope you enjoyed it. You get to have a good understanding of how to use annotations and how it is available in Python 3.9, whereas in earlier version it wasn't available. May you have any queries, feel free to get in touch. I'll be happy to answer your queries. Stay tuned. Thank you.